Greetings to our non-speaking Samoan friends who are here with us this morning. We welcome you in the name of Jesus Christ. Just in case you ask a question, why I still haven't speak? Today is a White Sunday. For your understanding, on the behalf of our mom and our sisters, our brothers, Faritua, which is our pastor's wife, we welcome you in the name of Jesus. This morning is the 15th of October today, and today we mark 6 months since our sister left. Number 6 in the Bible is very important, which is God's creations complete in 6 days before He rested in the 7th day. Our children will go and perform a song, and today we do our offering. We call this is Panama's offering to the church. And if you know Panama and if you love Panama, so we're going to perform a song this morning. Emanatu nita yao. Leo wasi salfa now. Jamana tuwaltala lestupu na fai lestupu. Fai mai lestupu ya. Tawama o tama madu. Lenga wa matuwale tu wili atu. Lepa iyo samuai wa poto. Leo sule sunga ifafia ngaini. Le sunga yata bapa. Upa iye la ufainga wenga. Matua tato ngaluenga. We matua si tawifo si tasi wapito jiti. Yamanatu nita yao. Emalita sama tu manua sepa ia fa sawali. Ole adeo Yesu fa matalang. Ole ata oto pa ia mausa maufainga. Anita yao. Ya mayat swafal tupu. Le tupo le langi, ma le neina lo langi, ma lalo ifo le lalo langi. Awana swafa ma Toafia fatalo fatua ia tolta yao ne. Awal swafa na wa mawaiso wa vanoa, wa mawaiso tava noa ilola ma mamia e fa vau. A fa mamia le tua ila fa fonga ma lo sisira ne tayao. Fa ufo le tua ila te marfana ne tayao. O mea umai faya, o mea umawole lei, o mea umawatape na ina. Ia tu ina atu e fai mabi inga o le tua fa aftai.
Can you imagine just standing before the King? Oh, I can only imagine what it would be like when I'm home by your side. I can only imagine what my eyes will see when your face is before me. I can only imagine. I can only imagine to be surrounded by your glory. What will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus? Or will you be still? Will I stand in your presence? To my knees will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be able to speak it all? I can only imagine. Yeah, I can only